Hello cool dudes! Today I'm going to open a Shaymin VSTAR Premium Collection Pokemon box. So let's get to it. So at the back, it says that there's one Shaymin VSTAR, one Shaymin V, an oversized, which is a / jumbo Shaymin VSTAR card, 8 Pokemon TCG booster packs, one VSTAR marker, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. So let's see. Okay, so let's open this up. And then, okay, there. So, this is the box. Let's open it. Oh, a lot of noise. So, here, we first have, there, look. So here, first, we have a Shaymin VSTAR and a VSTAR card, along with a plastic thing, plastic holder for the card. Next, we have another of these Pokemon holders for plastic holders. We have Shaymin V this time, and we have a code card. So then, once we go inside of it, we have Shaymin VSTAR, the jumbo version they were talking about. So let's keep it here. Then, let's see what we have here. So here we have Lost Origin Pokemon booster pack. That's nice. There's pretty good hits there. Then over here we have an Astral Radiance booster pack from Sword and Shield 2. This is also from Sword and Shield. And then here we have another Astral Radiance Pokemon booster pack. That's also from Sword and Shield. And then we have another Astral Radiance Pokemon booster pack from Sword and Shield. So then the other side, we have Lost Origin. I think we already have those. Yep, we have that. Then we have, another Astral Radiance. Yeah, we have the same artwork in both of these. That's nice. Then we have, Fusion Strikes. Kind of have good cards in them. And last but not least, we have another Fusion Strike. Wow, this looks much better than this. This is the Genesect, and this is the Bolton. So yeah, that's what you get if you get the Shaymin VSTAR Premium Collection box. But the one thing I'm really upset about is that at the back of this, it said there's supposed to be a VSTAR marker. And I don't know why they didn't include that. But okay, cool dudes, this is what you get in the Shaymin VSTAR Premium Collection box. Bye!